Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. As you know, my family and I actually just moved from Kentucky to Florida. And although we're loving it here, there have been like a few things that we've had to adjust to. And one of those, as silly as it sounds, is actually the lack of carpet and the amount of dirt that accumulates on the tile and hard flooring throughout my home. In Kentucky, I could literally get by with vacuuming my house like one time a day. But here in our Florida home, I find myself sweeping and vacuuming and sweeping again all throughout the day, and there's still dirt that gets stuck to my feet. So I have been looking for a solution and something that would make my life easier. And I was so excited when a company named Yeedi reached out to me about their robotic vacuum systems. Yeedi was actually so kind and sent me 2 of their robotic vacuums to share with you today, as well as their Yeedi Vac Station, which is a game changer. So in today's video, I'm going to be comparing both the Yeedi Vac and the Yeedi Vac Max with you. That way you can learn more about their products and decide which vacuum would be best for your own home. And I'm also going to be sharing the Yeedi Vac Station, which is a must-have. So if you are in the market for an affordable robotic vacuum, be sure to keep on watching. And thank you once again, Yeedi, for sponsoring today's video. The process of setting up your Yeedi vacuum is super simplistic. The Yeedi app walks you through the process step by step. I love that you can control your vacuum from your phone. You can set cleaning hours, map out boundaries, and check battery life. We personally love to run our vacuum at night while we are sleeping, and then we wake up to a clean floor. This has been a game changer for my sanity. The vacuum will also dock itself once it's finished cleaning, and it's super quiet. The first vacuum that I am going to share with you today is the Yeedi Vac. I am in love with the overall sleek look of this system. The white is so modern and beautiful. This is the entry-level vacuum in the Yeedi Vac series, and even though it is more affordable, it still thoroughly cleans my home. It is actually made for deep cleaning and will automatically crank up suction power on carpet for a more thorough clean. This vacuum is a great option if you live in a smaller home and are looking for an affordable vacuum. It comes with a docking station that fits seamlessly into a corner of your home. Once your vacuum is finished cleaning, it will return itself to the docking station to charge. The vacuum has a run time of 110 minutes. You can also upgrade this system with the Yeedi Mop Modular to vacuum and mop your home at the same time. This vacuum is also compatible with the Yeedi Vac Station that I will be sharing with you later in this video. All in all, this is a great, affordable option coming in at less than $300. The next vacuum that I am going to share with you is one step above the previous. It is the Yeedi Vac Max. This vacuum does it all, and it is a great mid-priced option. Yeedi Vac Max features smart navigation with the mopping functionality. That's right, it comes with everything you need to vacuum and mop your floors at the same time. Can you say game changer? I don't know about you, but mopping is one of my least favorite chores, so this system has made my life so much easier. The vacuum can be controlled on the app as well and will not leave your carpets wet when it is mopping. The intelligence of these Yeedi vacuums is remarkable. Users of this system will also have access to features only seen in higher-end robots, such as no-go zones and selective room cleaning. And it has a runtime of up to 200 minutes. This is truly a great vacuum. You get so much bang for your buck, and it comes in at under $400. This is a great vacuum for you if you are looking for a system that both vacuums and mops, or if you have a large home to clean. Both of these vacuums are beautiful. I love the sleek, modern design. I also love that they are both compatible with the app and can be controlled with a click of a button. Now that I have compared both the Yeedi Vac and the Yeedi Vac Max with you, I want to share the Yeedi Vac Station with y'all. This is a must-have in my opinion, and it's compatible with both vacuums. The Yeedi Vac Station can be purchased separately and used in combination with your current Yeedi Vac, or you can purchase the Yeedi Vac Station that has the Yeedi Vac Max vacuum included. This self-emptying station provides 30 days of hands-free cleaning. Once your vacuum returns to dock, after cleaning, the Yeedi Vac Station automatically empties your vacuum. It comes with a bag that you need to empty and change out once every 30 days. 30 days, y'all. I am truly blown away with how easy this product has made my life. The system also charges your vacuum so that it is ready for its next clean. This has been so amazing for me. As a busy mom, the fact that this system vacuums, mops, and self-cleans has helped me tremendously. In my opinion, this is the best bang for your buck if you are looking for a product that will do it all and make your life easier. This system is a great value at under $500. I hope that this video has been informative and that it has helped you decide which Yeedi Vac is right for your home. You truly cannot go wrong with any of them. If you are interested in any of the products mentioned in this video, I have linked them in the description box below. Thanks again, Yeedi, for sponsoring this video. I am truly blown away by your products. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video.